Hey everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial today on how to use a hexagon shaped quilting ruler. For today's video, we are going to showcase the Border Buddy Bold Notion Quilting Hexagonal Ruler, right? So you can get these on boldnotionquilting.com. As always in the video, there's a link above if you love it and you want to use it. It is a puzzle shaped ruler, so it comes apart, and these pieces are made to go around your machine so that when your needle is stopped and it's down and you're free motion machine quilting with rulers, right, you're going to be able to put this around your foot, close it up, and create the shapes and stuff that you want to create. No more picking up your ruler foot, cutting off your threads, and having to tie them off and figure out where to go again. So let's take a look at this really cool sashing design that we're going to use with our hexagonal ruler. This one's going to look like a row of houses. We're going to go ahead and start off our threads. Alright, and I'll cut those later. We're going to take our hexagon ruler, and this is a 3-inch sashing, and I'm using a 2-inch hexagon because the hexagon on point would give us closer to 3 inches. You could also do the 3-inch one if you want to have more space, but the houses would then be really wide and fat, which is totally fine too. But these will make them a little bit more high and skinny. We're going to go ahead and close our ruler, and then we're going to line up our ruler to be 1/4 inch away from our first ditch that we stitched, and then we're going to line it up with the tip of our hexagon that is etched. With the tip of our piece border. So that way we know we're going to stay within those lines when we stitch. So you'll notice that you have a puzzle ruler, so you want to make sure that you're holding down 2 pieces of the puzzle. You're going to go up the side, into the tip, down the side, and down. No, we didn't quite make it into our border. Alright. So then, for a design like this, you can only build on it coming down. So we're going to travel over our 1/2 inch that we stitched. Okay. And then we're going to use the markings that we have lined up on it here on the side that you can see etched. We're going to line them up with our previously stitched lines. Stop when you get to the middle marking. Bring it over, line it up. Alright, so then we've got one house down. You're going to take that off. You can use the side of it if you want to travel. It's like not a big deal if you want to do that. And we're just going to stitch right up the same line. So we're over here. I got to cut these threads. And then we're just going to continue the process. And there you have it. We have our row of houses. And they alternate, having a full inset half-inch and having just the roof. Full inset and just the roof, and full inset and just the roof. And you can always take this one step further depending on how it is that you want to fill this going forward. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Please take a moment and check out the awesome cool gadgets for free motion quilting on boldmotionquilting.com. Y'all take care and happy quilting.